Welcome back to my channel. I must use this opportunity to say thank you to all those who have been watching my videos, liking them and subscribing to my channel. Please continue to give your support because we all know that the channel needs your support to grow. I enjoy what I'm doing, so even if I was uploading to 1 subscriber, I would still upload. However, as my grandmother always says, encouragement sweetens labor, not true? So please continue to give your support and grow with me. I really appreciate the support I've been getting from you guys, and I must say, continue to give your support. In this video, I will be showcasing a wedding tent design with a 60 by 20 tent. I will be showing a few clips from behind the scene, and then I will be showing the complete package. Enjoy viewing.